Challenge 3, question 1 says calculate the area of glass in each window. So shape A, as we can see, is 6 metres long and 3 metres wide. So using our formula, area equals length times width, we're going to multiply those together. 6 times 3 is 18 metres squared. Shape B is 700 centimetres by 200 centimetres. Now if we're going to change the units of measurement, it's very important that we do that at the beginning of our working out. Once we get to the answer, we're not going to change the units of measurement because that's actually more difficult to do than it sounds, and you can quite easily make a mistake there. So I'm going to change these, because these are both multiples of 100, I'm going to change these centimetres into meters. So that's going to be 700 centimetres is going to be 7 metres, and 200 centimetres is going to be 2 metres, which gives me a much easier calculation of 7 times 2, length times width, which gives me 14 metres squared. For question C, it doesn't give us the full length and width. We have to work that out for ourselves, but it does tell us that each pane of glass is 1 metre squared. So using that, I can just count very carefully, and I can see that I have 4 along the bottom and also 4 up the side. So my sum is going to be 4 times 4, 4 times 4, or 4 squared, which gives me 16 metres squared. So 16 metres squared is the answer for C. Question D, again, doesn't give me the full length and width of my shape, but it does tell me that each pane of glass is 100 by 100 centimetres. Again, at this stage, I'm going to change the units of measurement to make it a bit easier for myself. Instead of 100 centimetres, I'm just going to make that 1 metre. I'm going to convert those centimetres into metres. So I'm looking at each pane of 1 metre, and it's 4 wide, it's 3 long. Okay, so it's going to be 4 metres times 3 metres, and 4 times 3 is 12. So my area is 12 metres squared. Question 2, which window will let in the most light? Well, that's going to be the window with the highest, the most metres squared, the most space inside it, which is A, 18 metres squared.